First, let's prepare the dough. Add to the sifted flour 1 egg, oil and salt. Stir and pour in a glass of hot water. Knead the dough until it stops sticking to your hands, and then put in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. For the filling, finely chop the onion. Fry in oil until the onion is golden brown. Then add sauerkraut to the pan and simmer for 5-7 minutes. Turn the dough into a long tube and cut into equal pieces. Roll out each piece into circles. Then wrap sauerkraut inside. And then cook the dumplings on low heat. For a richer taste, fry the dumplings in the butter for 4-6 minutes until they are golden brown. These dumplings will delight you with the juicy and so familiar taste of sauerkraut. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal!